Hello Internet Ghost here with mini vlog 245. Yes. I'm sweating my fucking arse off because it's bloody warm in this bloody room. Yes. Sunday, right? Yeah, Sunday the 12th. Yesterday, I forgot to mention it, I got a new screen for the Toshiba satellite. A really old laptop I got years ago. It's about time I got the thing replaced. All I'm waiting for now is the battery, the cover for the DVD drive thing, and some RAM. Should all be coming my way in the next few days. So yes, I thought I bought the battery. Oh well. Or maybe I purchased it from Amazon. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. I'll probably end up buying it next month or something. But yeah, the battery. So yeah, it's going to cost me a bit of money to actually do that, but yeah, hopefully I hope it works. If it not, oh well. Be part of life in a day on the 25th of July. I have little interest in that. I have no interest in it at all. No, I've never done it. I tried to do it once when it first started, but says YouTube originals. Why should I fucking bother? Not everyone's gonna bloody watch it. Anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, whatever.